Growing up Haitians, one of the things I used to eat a lot is Akra. Since I have the willpower to do anything I want now in the kitchen, some crab Akra for the day. Okay. It's a very simple snack. All you need is your malaga, épices, habanero peppers, flour, vinegar, salt, some adobo seasoning, some garlic powder, and also some onion powder. Add it to a bowl, add your crab meat, and then mix. Fry until golden, and then have it with some pickles. Bring me back home, but with a twist.